Good afternoon to everyone. It's Veronica Seban from Business Power Academy. I'm the business owner and founder of Business Power Academy and the global talk show, Share Your Life Story Experience. And I'm as well a transformational business and NLP coach with a background in network marketing, and I'm as well an entrepreneur for almost 17 years. I'm a single mom living in the Netherlands, Amsterdam, and so I'm a passionate entrepreneur and business and NLP coach. I'm in love with serving people and transforming the life of another people. And my mission is to lead you to a deep inner transformation and to show you how to create wealth and abundance. And today I would love to talk with you about the message of gratitude and why this is so important. When you are showing gratitude, before you do that, set a purpose, set an intention behind your goal. Because before you are gonna show gratitude, think about what would you love to manifest in your life. For all the global talk show conference participants, if you have been a speaker during the conference, then probably you have heard the message of gratitude. And I want you to know that the message of gratitude is helping you to open your mind, your heart, and your soul to abundance. So you should to learn to be receptive, yeah, and to receive the abundance and to attract it towards of you. That's why. So the message of gratitude is crucial during all your transformation process, because there are different layers of transformation. There is the layer of the spiritual transformation and of your inner. There is the layer of your mental transformation, and there is as well the layer of your confidence transformation. So if you have lost your confidence and you need to connect with your inner power, and then you have to open yourself mentally, to open your soul and your heart, and to learn to receive the abundance. That's why you have to thank you to God, to the universe, for having the opportunity that you open every single day your eyes. And never compare yourself to anyone else, because we are different. We have a different inner power, and we have as well a different way to attract abundance towards us, and as well to connect with God. If you don't know how to do that, try to meditate. So learn to meditate if you don't know how to meditate. Because when you meditate or when you pray as well, you step into your power. So you connect with yourself and with the power of God. And I firmly believe in this power, that this power truly exists, because we attract in our life exactly the way how we are inside of you. Remember this. So you are the way how you think. And this is very, very powerful. That's why so you have to pay attention at your thoughts and to be very, very receptive for the positivity that is coming in your life, and to be very receptive as well to receive the positivity and the changements, to receive as well, so to be ready to receive the opportunities, which is so important and which is so powerful. So when you will be able to be receptive to all the opportunities, to all the changements, and when you'll be ready to embrace this all, everything will start to change, to shift on a higher level. And so you have to create this alignment between your mind and your soul. So that's why it's important to listen to your soul call. If you feel a very, very strong power inside of your heart, inside of your inner, and you feel the voice of the call, just follow that, because it means that this is your destiny, and you have to connect with your destiny. You have to connect with your true self the way you truly are. So take it seriously when I'm saying so, that you have to show gratitude. You have to connect with the power of God and with the power of your inner. For now, I want to thank you for being here with me and practice it, because changement requires practicing every single day. When you repeat again and again, then you will learn to tap into a higher dimension level to attract what you want in your life. So thank you again, and see you soon.